A major manufacturer of high-technology products receives invoices from over 150 suppliers in multiple languages. Eviden has automated the validation and posting of these invoices using ABBYY OCR and UiPath. The manual posting of invoices has lots of challenges, such as a high error rate, manual effort, and repetitive steps. The supplier sends scanned copies of invoice via email, and the scanned invoice then goes through manual touchpoints before being posted. An agent reads the emails and saves any attachments. The agent then manually verifies the information present in the invoice and logs it into the QAD ERP application. The agent then posts the invoice and points out if there are any anomalies. Eviden applied automation levers like RPA and OCR to transform the flow after the agent saves the attachment. A bot feeds the input documents into the OCR engine. This OCR extracts all relevant information from the image and generates an XML. The bot logs into the QAD ERP application and posts the invoice, verifies details, and documents any anomalies. After a successful pilot, Eviden is now scaling up this solution to handle over 150 suppliers to process 40,000 invoices per year. Now, let's see a demo on how it works. A business user places the scanned invoice files in the input location in a shared folder. The invoice from supplier 1 is in Chinese, whereas the invoice from supplier 2 is in English. So they initiate the UiPath bot, which triggers ABBYY Flexi Capture. Invoice 1 is processed by ABBYY, and for invoice 1, the extraction confidence is 100%. Invoice 2 is then processed by ABBYY, and for invoice 2, the extraction confidence is also 100%. After this process, invoice 1 output XML file is generated. The workspace where the invoice is to be posted in QAD application is selected based on the location of the vendors, when the processing will differ based on location. The data extracted from the vendor's invoice is then used to produce the invoice in the QAD ERP application. A report is then generated by the bot, showing number of invoices processed successfully. Eviden's invoice processing solution enabled the customer to automate the processing of the 40,000 invoices received each year from these 150 plus suppliers in multiple languages. Eviden can help you automate your manual operations and business processes. Please visit eviden.com for more details.